You can promote done for you digital products where you make 100% profit. So what does that mean? Okay, so that means there is products out there online that are helping people and products that you can promote and make 100%. So what makes sense to you? Promoting a product of somebody else's product and making 25% profit, or promoting a product and making 100%? See, you guys, my number one selling product is $600. So do the math on that. I sell a $600 product, I make 100% profit. If you are an affiliate or a network marketing company and you make 25% profit, that's $150 that you make. You have to do 4 times the work that I do to make 100% profit. And here's the best part. It's a proven process. It's proven to work. So they've done the hard part. They've taken the guesswork out of it. All you have to do is follow our proven system and learn the skills to make daily pay.